Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Satya YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how you can download VS Code Windows 11. So let's get started. Let's see how we can download it. Okay, so first open your any favorite web browser. So I am going to open my Chrome browser and there type VS Code. See, the official link appear here. This is the VS Code official link is here only. So click on the first link. Now you able to see that is the download page of VS Code. So click on the download. Now you let's see. So be Linux and Mac as well. So I'm downloading for Windows. So click on download for Windows. Click on this, and now download is started. So let's wait few seconds. So let it to complete. You can able to see this is the Visual Studio Code of version 1.9 is available here only. So this is the latest version of Visual Studio Code. So now I'm going to install that latest version in my laptop. So wait only few seconds. So just wait only. Now download has been completed. So double click on the exe file. So now I'm double click there and see. Now installing page is appear here. So accept the all agreements. I'm accepting that and click to next. And I'm okay with this location. I'm clicking to next, and after that click to next and create a desktop icon. I'm click on that also. So after that click to next, and again now install has been started. So click on install. So my installation process has been started in my computer. So please wait some time and minimize that browser face. It is also taking few seconds also. So now VS Code has been installed in my laptop. So untick that VS Code and click to finish. See, now Visual Studio Code is available in my laptop. So I'm open Visual Studio Code in my laptop. So type here Visual Studio Code. So see, now Visual Studio Code is showing in my laptop. So click to open that. And this is the Visual Studio page is appearing here. So let's it. Okay, thank you.